Another element of the Chapman Foundation for Caring Communities is around sustainability. And it's not a one and done where oftentimes you're at a workshop and it sounds great, you learn some things, but it's like a check of the box. And you just walk away sort of saying, yeah, the skills sound great, but how do I actually apply them? The Chapman Foundation for Caring Communities really has a nice way around continuous learning, and I feel like they are with us on this continuous journey. For example, there are podcasts, there's an app that the Chapman Foundation owns where there's numerous resources and skill building opportunities. There's continuing education workshops. And at MUSC Health specifically, we actually invited the CEO of the Chapman Foundation for Caring Communities, Misty Janks, to talk about leading change. So I went to Misty and I said, hey, we're talking about change at our next LDI. Can you come and talk about that in the way that the Chapman Foundation for Caring Communities talks about it, through how to meet people where they are through that change process? And she was able to come and speak to all of our leaders across the health system in a very large room where we have that sustained relationship with the Chapman Foundation, and they're with us. There's no hesitation in Misty coming or speaking to an audience of that size. So the sustainability and the continuous journey and partnership with the Chapman Foundation for Caring Communities is something that I really appreciate. And knowing that our folks are not only gaining tools that they can implement with their teams, but that we have a sustained relationship on the back end where I can call anyone here in Charleston that's with the Chapman Foundation, and I know that they'll always be available or always with me in whatever I need.